hey guys, welcome to Taylor Made Stories. Since you guys love vlogs, so I thought कि एक और बना देते हैं. Now you can see my eye. Actually, something bit me, so my eye is swollen and it's got a mark also. But I am at the. We are at the airport. Prakshiti, hello. So we have Nugget also. This is our first vacation after Shadi and leaving the from the Forge we're going. So it's actually very special and exciting. And हमने हमारा सब हो गया है. We're waiting for the captain's approval, so it takes time. Last time it was me alone who traveled from Delhi to this thing. It was very tough and that was very hectic. आप देखो कि ये airport पूरा खाली है. International. We only travel Air India because only pets are allowed here. Yes,
you forgot to tell them that approval is for Nugget. And where is Nugget?
Nugget is enjoying and chewing, and I'll keep you posted because we're waiting for the captain's approval. Flight abhi pehle land nahi hui hai, and it's 10:20 flight that we booked because there was only one flight, and also हमने माँ पापा को नहीं बताया कि हम आ रहे हैं. So it's a surprise. So I'm so excited. अब तो पापा को पता है because he has to open the door, but माँ को नहीं पता है. But हम बड़े excited हैं, and I'll keep you guys posted. Finally, we've got a boarding pass.
Yeah, after a grueling check-in.
I swear. Finally, we can see people here, and there is a line. It's literally 10:15 p.m. and finally there are some people, if you can see. Okay. Finally, we are boarding.
Nugget is going to space.
पर इसको space वाला कॉस्ट्यूम पता नहीं किस खुशी में पता है. We are saying we are riding. They still gave it to us. Okay.
I'm the professor.
He just started watching Money Heist, that's why. So when you're traveling with a pet, you always get the last row, the last seat. And there's only one airline that we can travel in. So Nugget is down. Nugget is down. Here are we. We're taking off finally. We'll let you know when we land. Parikshit is still trying to take out his clothes. When we land.
भारतीय कैबिन सुपरवाइजर संगीता दत्ता, स्टार एयरलाइन सदस्य इंडिगो से एयरबस
Bye bye, see you Delhi. We just landed to Delhi. Finally. सब लोग जब भी एयरपोर्ट आते तो ये होता ही है वीडियो. तो हम भी लग रहे हैं.
5 minutes later.
Because हमारा एक लगेज आ गया लेकिन एक और नहीं आया है. We've been waiting for. Actually, everybody's been waiting for the longest time. Air India. My chota getting deeper and deeper. Belt खराब हो गया. Oh no! तुम इधर बैठा के. Belt खराब हो गया. Guys, रात के कितने बज गए? 12:30. It's my sleeping time. चलो. So hey guys, today's a new day and we are chilling and getting ourselves pampered. Matt, you want to say anything?
Hi, enjoying myself, totally relaxed.
How was the surprise yesterday?
Oh, out of the world. It was actually a surprise.
And हम हेरा फेरी भी देख रहे हैं. So we are here. We just needed to relax and that's it.
Thousands of tears later.
Come on, Pa, how was the surprise?
Loved it.
What a surprise!
It was wonderful, least expected.
बच्चे in our lives, if you kids come in, it makes us young.
ओहो,
So,
और कुछ बोलना चाहते हो टेलर मेड स्टोरीज पे?
अच्छा?
हाँ,
जो तू बोलेगी बोल देंगे.
Keep surprising us.
Yeah,
Love you.
love.
okay, love you too. So guys, this is the end of our vlog and we have reached Gurgaon.
Yes,
And we are
keeping safe, not going out.
Yes, we are just walking over here, that's it. But हमारा surprise बहुत अच्छा गया and it all went well.
Yes.
And stay safe, stay home, and when you're traveling, be very very safe. और कुछ बोलना है?
Well, always sanitize. SMS,
Sanitize.
mask, and safe distance.
Yes, SMS. Okay, so signing off. Lots of love. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.